Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that enables you to create stunning visuals for various purposes. Here's a concise guide on how to use Canva. Sign up. Create a Canva account or login if you already have one. Choose a template. Browse through a wide range of templates for social media posts, presentations, flyers, and more. Customize design. Select a template and use Canva's drag and drop editor to customize it. Edit text, colors, images, and more. Upload media. Import your own images, videos, or logos to personalize your designs further. Text and typography. Add text using a variety of fonts, sizes, and styles. Adjust alignment, spacing, and effects. Graphics and elements. Enhance designs with icons, shapes, stickers, and other graphic elements from Canva's library. Backgrounds and colors. Change backgrounds, apply gradients, or choose from Canva's color palettes. Resize for platforms. Easily resize designs for different platforms like social media, print, or presentations. Collaboration. Invite team members to collaborate on designs in real time. Download and share. Once your design is ready, download it in various formats or share directly to social media.